Introducing Myora Water Flosser MY02, an advanced oral hygiene device designed to deliver powerful and effective interdental cleaning. Unboxing the water flosser, discover everything you need for a complete, hassle-free flossing experience. The Myora Water Flosser MY02 is available in 2 color options, black and white, The kit consists of an instruction manual, your quick guide to effortless setup and use, and a USB-DC cable. 2 standard nozzles are included for precise, powerful, and hygienic dosing. The main unit features a detachable water tank designed for travel and daily home use. Let's walk through the easy assembly process. To attach or remove the nozzle, press the release button. The 300 milliliters water tank ensures uninterrupted flossing. Remove the charger base cover and plug the charger into the unit. The light will blink while charging. Charging is complete when the indicator light turns off. It features an on and off button along with additional buttons. There are 3 different modes: clean mode, soft mode, and pulse mode. Let's discover its different features. It has a cordless and ergonomic design with a 1,400 mAh lithium-ion battery. It features ABS build quality, a 300 milliliter water tank capacity, and IPX7 waterproof protection. Now let's move forward to its usage. Open the tank gap and fill it with water. Alternatively, detach the tank, fill it, and reattach it firmly. Hold the unit upright with the nozzle aimed at your teeth. Keep your mouth slightly open for water drainage. Use the mode button to choose clean mode, soft mode, or pulse mode. Keeping safety in mind, it has a 2-minute auto shut-off timer. The water flosser is highly beneficial for patients with implants to help prevent peri-implantitis. That's the complete Myora kit, sleek, smart, and ready to shine. Now order from the DentalKart website or mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe